So, along with the dietary trial, a lot of clients ask me, what treats can we actually give to our pets during the dietary trial period? And what I say is basically, as long as it's consistent with what's in the ingredient list of the food, then I'm okay for them to go ahead and do that. So, for instance, if they're doing a rabbit-based diet, Rain Clinical Nutrition happens to have a rabbit jerky. They also have a canned rabbit diet, and I'm totally fine with that because the ingredient list is consistent. Even some of the veterinary diets, however, we have to be careful about them because they may not have ingredient lists that are consistent with their dry food. For instance, the vegetarian diet from Royal Canin actually has soy in the canned food where it does not in the dry food. The Hills diets, the hypo treats, a lot of clients will pick up those hypo treats because it says hypo on them and it says they're hydrolyzed. Oh, so that should be okay to feed. And that's not a good idea if you're actually picking the Royal Canin HP diet, a hydrolyzed protein diet, because that's a soy-based diet. It doesn't have any hydrolyzed chicken in the dry food. So if we're introducing chicken, that ends up introducing a new component, a new variable that could actually mess up your dietary restriction. So ideally what we want to do is stay consistent with the diet. Rain does a really good job of going ahead and making sure that their canned, their dry, and their jerky all fit within the same ingredient list. As I mentioned, even Hill's Hypo Treats, even though they may even say it on the bag that you can use it with their DD diets, which is their dermatologic diets. Those dermatologic diets are duck, salmon, and venison, and yet you're giving a hydrolyzed chicken-based diet. That hydrolyzed chicken, as much as they've hydrolyzed it, still could cause an allergic reaction. In fact, as early as last year, there was a study done where 10 known chicken allergic dogs were fed the hydrolyzed D diet, and still 4 out of 10 of them developed an allergic reaction to it. So unfortunately, if we feed those hypo treats to our dogs that are receiving kangaroo or rabbit or a hydrolyzed diet, that could actually mess up our dietary restriction. So please eliminate those treats or make sure they're consistent with what's actually in the diet.